let me bring something. What about this one? That's a water gun, But this is it's just a toy, not a real weapon. If you bring on the airplane, it's so very dangerous. We don't bring this. But what about my pad? Can't bring it in. Alright, let's check out other. Your toy, 2 for you and 1 for me. Alright, let's pack my clothes. Here's my clothes. Oh, this one is a winter clothes. Alright, see here? My swimming suit too. I also love swimming. Nicole, do you know about the scuba diving? You love scuba diving. Alright, let's pack one thing. What? Those are clothes for mommy and daddy. Let me bring them back. Alright, here we go. Alright, here's my squishy toy for me and for me little cookie. Alright, let me see here. Actually, we're gonna bring this. We bring the sticker book. Yes. But all these clothes for me, my scuba diving costume, my dress. Don't forget about your pajama. Let's see here. This one for me and this one for me. Alright, I need this. Alright. Alright, honey, is everything ready? Alright, darling, it's ready. Kiss, let's go. We're gonna take a taxi.